let's say you get your machine HALOT ONE right in here, and you came to the settings and go to the parameter settings, and you see only 5, which means that you have an older firmware and we need to upgrade that firmware to the newest version. Let's do that together, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First, in the menu we will go to settings. In here we will go to system settings, and we will click refresh, and we will click about. We will see our version of the firmware. Version 1.104 is mine, and then we will basically go into the local upgrade after plugging our USB, and in here we will see the firmware. Okay, now we are in the Creality's website download section. I am going to put this link in the description of video as well. We will go down to Resin series firmware, and we will see HALOT series 3D printer. We will click there, and we will click this zip file. Now click it and download it. After the download, open it up. Now it's still downloading on my end. Now we are going to open it. When I open it, it will unzip it, and inside this folder we have SWU file with the CX7. So what we are going to do, copy this one, copy and paste this one into our USB file, and then we will take that USB file, plug it into our printer. Now I got my USB and I'm plugging it in. This plugin, I'm going to click the local upgrade. Now in here it will tell us new version found, update or not. We will click OK, and it will start updating. The problem is with the camera, the color of this screen is always going off balance, so that's why it's taking time and focus for me to adjust this. Okay, now the printer is opening back again. Okay, let's check if it's upgraded. Come to settings, system settings, refresh, about, it's 1.143, which is what we wanted, and it is upgraded. Remote upgrade, okay, they gave us a remote upgrade option too, nice. So let's go back, and then we go to the parameter settings. Now we have 6 settings right in here. Perfect. Your upgrade is done. Congratulations. Don't forget to delete it from the USB so that it doesn't upgrade all the time.